In my previous video, I talked about 5 common spywares that can be used to monitor your phone. Now today, I want to be showing you how to tell if someone is spying on your phone, or indicators that point towards your phone or your device being spied on. Now, number one thing you need to look out for is your battery life. If your battery drains really quickly, like, I'm not talking about people that have used their phone till the phone is almost crying, I beg, change me. No, I'm not talking about those people. I'm talking about people that you're very, very certain that this battery is still there, you know, and you still realize that your battery drains really fast. Now, because this spyware is always run consistently, like constantly on in the background of your phone, and they're always supplying feedbacks, you know, to the other backend, to whoever that is spying on you. Even if your phone is idle, you drop your phone, you notice that your phone would keep running. You understand? So this is the reason why, you know, your battery drains quickly. That is one. Another thing is, if your phone gets hot, it's still the same thing. That's like, it's almost the same thing with your battery draining real quick. I mean, they are related. So most times when your phone burns up real hot, the tendency of your battery draining quickly is there as well. So same, because these apps run on the background steady. They're always steady refreshing and, you know, checking out what they did not send them to go and check and all those things. That's the reason why the phone burns. Like, even when your phone is idle, you drop your phone on the table, you're not using it, you're not pressing it, you just touch your phone, you feel like it's hot. Now, there are chances that there's a spyware on your phone. So number 3 on our list is, if you notice unusual apps installed in your phone. If you notice that there are some applications that on your phone that you cannot really explain, you can't really tell what they are, that could be a spyware. But don't go and delete the one that your phone start misbehaving. No, it's not me that sent you. So I'm going to make a video on how to get rid of these spywares, the best way to get rid of these spywares, and in that way you know how to get rid of them, so you don't get yourself into trouble, or you don't carry police and come and carry me and say, it's me that told you to go and do this one. I don't send you. Anyway, so if you notice unusual applications, sometimes, you know, like I said before, these spywares, most times they're not visible. Yeah, most times there's no application to indicate that this is a spyware or blah blah blah. No, sometimes some of these spywares disguise as another application, and they just stay on your phone, and you think it's a regular application. Sometimes you notice that you have 2 calculators on your phone, and you're wondering, how did this one get here? You know, or you feel, okay, maybe it's just of this update. Sometimes that could be a spyware. Yes.